Hi everyone, my name is Raden.
Hi, I'm Kamelia.
We are from Machines. In this video, we'd like to share about the new iPad Pro with M1 chip.
Apple M1 chip is a breakthrough performance which delivers a faster performance, graphic performance for graphic-intensive application and workflows, and advanced machine learning. The Apple M1 chip shows how quick it launches the applications and the performance is so smooth. The iPad Pro works responsively, even opening a high graphic application would not be a problem. And not to forget that the powerful Pro applications such as Microsoft Office and Adobe Photoshop are available on iPad. Let's talk about the second feature, which is very incredible, and for me, it is something new for the iPad lineup. The true depth camera with center stage. With center stage, it doesn't matter where the user is on a video call. The camera always puts the person in the center, and with the Face ID system, it can track the user while it's moving. Center Stage API will also be available for third-party developers to implement in their applications. You can choose to turn off Center Stage just by heading into Settings, then selecting FaceTime, and right in there you will see whether you can toggle it on or off.
I want to show you the XDR display.
The Liquid Retina XDR display on the iPad Pro 12.9-inch delivers the extreme dynamic range for an even more stunning visual experience. With a breathtaking 1000 nits of full screen brightness, 1600 nits for peak brightness, and a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, and over 2500 local dimming zones. Means the display delivers extremely bright highlights along with the subtle details in the darkest parts of an image from HDR video formats such as Dolby Vision, HDR10 or HLG. For photos, it looks stunning and vivid than ever with more true-to-life details.
And then the Magic Keyboard.
Design features cantilevered hinge so iPad floats above the keyboard. With the unique dual hinge design, you can smoothly adjust the angle between 90 to 130 degrees. Magic Keyboard brings individual hard keycaps and a CG mechanism with 1.0mm travel for a quiet and responsive typing experience. The built-in trackpad is designed specifically for Magic Keyboard for iPad. Simply navigating your iPad with initiative and familiar gestures, like to open your apps, to the home screen, open start over, and more.
Don't forget to take your machine protection plan for your iPad Pro that cover for 2 years.
Since we are in the MC Installations, you may visit us at www.machines.com.my or
Find us at Shopee and Lazada. I'm Kamelia.
and I'm Raden.
Hope to see you soon.
Bye.